Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse. The legend returns. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa roars back with unmatched power, aerodynamic mastery, and refined elegance. Built for those who crave extreme performance and timeless design, the superbike continues to define what speed truly feels like. Let's dive into the world of the new Hayabusa and see what makes it one of the most iconic motorcycles ever created. The legacy of the Hayabusa. Since its debut in 1999, the Suzuki Hayabusa has stood as a symbol of sheer performance and engineering excellence. It was the first production motorcycle to break the 300 km/h barrier, earning the title of the world's fastest bike. Over the years, Suzuki has refined this machine, balancing power with control and style with substance. The 2025 version carries this legacy forward while integrating modern technology and design for a new generation of riders. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Hayabusa continues to turn heads with its signature aerodynamic silhouette. Every curve, vent, and edge has been meticulously crafted for maximum stability and minimal drag at high speeds. The bodywork looks aggressive yet elegant, featuring a new dual-tone color scheme, updated LED lighting, and premium finishes that enhance its muscular presence. The redesigned fairings improve airflow and rider comfort, ensuring stability even when pushing through strong crosswinds. The Hayabusa isn't just a bike, it's a moving piece of art that slices through the air like a jet on two wheels. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa lies a refined 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, now tuned for more responsive mid-range torque and smoother throttle delivery. This beast produces around 190 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque, offering blistering acceleration and effortless power on the highway. Suzuki's dual throttle valve (SDTV) system ensures optimal air intake, while the lightweight titanium valves and redesigned pistons deliver efficiency and strength. Combined with a 6-speed gearbox and quickshifter, every gear change feels instant and seamless. The Hayabusa's performance isn't just about top speed, it's about delivering power exactly when you need it, with total control and precision. Ride and handling. Suzuki has refined the Hayabusa's chassis and suspension setup for enhanced stability and agility. The aluminum twin-spar frame provides exceptional rigidity, while the fully adjustable KYB suspension ensures a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The 2025 model offers improved cornering capability, thanks to optimized weight distribution and advanced Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport tires. Whether you're cruising long highways or carving through tight bends, the Hayabusa maintains composure and confidence like no other superbike in its class. Technology and rider aids. The 2025 Hayabusa is packed with state-of-the-art electronics designed to keep the rider in full control. The Suzuki Intelligent Ride System (SIRS) integrates multiple assistive technologies, including 3 power modes for customizable performance, 10-level traction control system for maximum grip, anti-lift control to prevent front-wheel lift during hard acceleration, launch control for perfect takeoffs, bidirectional quick shifter for clutchless up and down shifts, cruise control for comfortable touring, slope-dependent control system for smooth braking on inclines. All of these features are displayed on a full-color TFT instrument cluster, giving the rider an intuitive and futuristic interface. Braking and safety. The Hayabusa's braking system has been enhanced for superior stopping power and confidence. It features Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers paired with dual 320mm front discs and a single rear disc. The advanced ABS and cornering brake control ensure stability under heavy braking, even when leaning into a turn. Suzuki's motion track brake system uses input from a 6-axis IMU to adjust braking force dynamically, providing unmatched safety and precision. Comfort and touring capability. While built for performance, the 2025 Hayabusa doesn't compromise on comfort. Its refined ergonomics, wider seat, and adjustable handlebars make long-distance rides smooth and fatigue-free. The large fuel tank ensures extended range, making this superbike not only fast but practical for touring as well. Price and final thoughts. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa offers incredible value for what it delivers: cutting-edge performance, iconic styling, and an unmatched riding experience. Expected to start around $19,500, it competes directly with high-end sport bikes while maintaining its legendary reputation. In a world filled with speed and technology, the Hayabusa remains the perfect fusion of both. Suzuki has crafted a masterpiece, one that continues to dominate roads, racetracks, and hearts. Pro Wheelhouse, celebrating the machines that move the world. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates on the world's most thrilling motorcycles.